if you want to turn on the vibration sound for incoming notification on iPhone, I'll just show you. Open settings, scroll down and open sound and haptics. Now this text tone, this is the notification sound for your messages, text messages, WhatsApp, apps, incoming messages, notification, everything. So this is the main thing. You just need to open text tone and vibration. If it selects to none, you won't hear the vibration feeling when you get a notification. So you just select to any one of this. This is the default vibration, and you can select any of this. You can also create a new vibration here. For me, I just leave it for default, and that's it. You are done. So now back and open new voicemail. If you want to change this to voicemail, turn on vibration for voicemail. Same, open vibration and select any of this. So you can turn on for new mail, send mail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts. So but the main thing is this one, text to tone. So if you turn on, that's it, you are done. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone, watch these videos.